too.
Shoot this motherfucker.
Look at the light test, and then when I nail it.
Sharks in order.
All right, we're in Harrisburg. I had to pop over and get some pictures because I'm trying to draw a mock-up of the RV camper that we're about to buy to tow behind Bruce. We're at my baby mama's house. Are you here, you little shit? I texted you. Oh man, this is the Orca. The Orca also needs some work. This whole thing, I mean, it's whatever. We can rip that out. I found an air fryer that's like an air fryer oven. And then we could just rip that thing out, sell it.
We would need to get the Orca back up.
Toilet? That's like a toilet. There's the refrigerator. I think that's the back of the fridge. Well, that's coming out. Fuck me! Did I just bend this shit?
Yep.
Great, 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 Sean.
Reminder to delete this part of the footage so that when we come back and say it's, you know, 800 instead of 12 because the shit's bent, like...
It was my fault. The great Paul. Oh, hey boy! Hey!
Hi, buddy!
Now you see me. Oh, you're so old. I know. See you later, I'm about to blow this. But it got stuck. Oh shit. Well, where the fuck did the glove go? There was a glove in here.
The glove that's on the ground over there?
Oh, fuck you! I knocked it out! We're at the Home Depot. Family quality time while I drag my child in to help us with this van. We need to get some 1x2s for the floor, and some liquid nails, and some random shit. And then get the hell out of here. I need a star bit thing too.
Going back in.
I just had the worst meltdown in the middle of Home Depot. I swear, if I spend any more time today looking for something, I'm gonna lose my shit. Just took forever to pick out all these 1x2s. that they had in the wrong spot, priced the wrong way. Do you see, these ones are $1.36, and these lighter shaded ones, these are the ones that are at your feet. If you look right here, I fucking hate Home Depot. It is like 97 degrees. Everybody is hot. No one wants to do this. Home Depot sucks.
That's why I call it Home Depot.
Rant over. Day 2, floor is secured. This disgusting shit is scrubbed off the seats. The front of the liner has been scrubbed and replaced. We got caught in the middle of a thunderstorm. What else? What's the biggest challenge of our van build so far? Finding something when you need it. Where's the tape measure? Where's the marker? Yeah. So I'm trying to put all this shit back in here. Cleaners, fluids, materials, here. Tools, here. This concludes day 2. Hopefully next week we move on to putting some studs up and framing the walls and the ceiling. I realize the ceiling is... Did I cover everything? I'm fucking tired. I need to scrub all of this goddamn shit off of me. I feel like a fucking caveman. I feel like I've been wearing a fur and dirt suit all day long.
Say like or subscribe or hit Patreon.
Oh, God. I'm too tired for a fucking intro or an outro. I'm fucking tired. Thank you for watching. I'm Sean Cooper. If you like what I have to say when I come here to run my big fucking mouth, be sure to tap the thumbs up button, hit subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon so you can get notified when I'm confined to a steel box, sweating profusely like, oh. I lied. I brought a change of clothes with me. I'm getting out of this disgusting shit right now. I'm taking a shower. Oh God, there's stuff stuck to me. Oh. I'm borrowing a shower.
Yeah, just so you know, the water, it'll cut off for like 30 seconds, but it'll come back.
Oh my God, I am gross. 3.5 hours later, we've made it to New York.